Buy Blink XT2 security camera at cheap and limited time discount from link in the description. With two-way audio, Blink XT2 security camera lets you be there from anywhere. Open up a two-way conversation using your smartphone. Night vision and motion detection help you keep an eye on your home at every hours. Get peace of mind with this versatile indoor and outdoor wire-free all-new Blink XT2 camera that features 2-year battery life, two-way audio, customizable motion detection, and live view recording. This security camera is of dimension 2.8 x 2.8 x 1.4 inches and it weighs 89 grams. The CPU used in this smart security camera is a Media proprietary, AC1002B, 4-cores processor at 200 MHz. Blink XT2 can be placed or mounted using the included ball mount inside or outside for complete coverage and peace of mind. Double the usage of the XT2 on a single set of batteries when recording video. Talk to visitors through the Blink app on your smartphone or tablet. Use activity zones to choose where motion is detected so you receive the alerts that matter. Keep hundreds of clips stored up to a year with no monthly fees or service contract required. View live streams, motion clips, or arm and disarm your system through select Alexa-enabled devices. Record and view in up to 1080p, HD video during the day and with infrared HD night vision after dark. Blink XT2 stands up to the elements. Place or mount it inside or outside for whole home security. It is easy to set up and install. No tools, wiring, or professional installation required. Just create an account on the Blink app. Plug in, add sync module, and connect to Wi-Fi. Insert batteries and sync your camera.